We do by the OBJA with Meilich Weber, the founder of OBJA Meilich. Welcome.
So good to see you here. If the days do Bochshem to do a full house, doile me do, doile me arbeit. So starke Lechive, Spanish, Zizi, doile me Kim do machen business. Und so haben wir die jetzt geliked. Von Juschen gewähnt, der hat mir geliked noch, ob die days do, die Saat. Du a ganze Besmeidrisch hat mir zugestellt, Gerig von Neulem.
Mit Lackers auch.
Du gehst du Schachris gewähnt, ein paar Millionen, 3 zu 4 Millionen Schachris. Lieg hat Zibber, du schein decorated. Es geht zusammen Millionen Minche, Mare. Das Ski geht jetzt vor, mit können sehen. Es halte mit Rebelli Stefanski, a broadcast, der famous Rebelli.
Okay, und die bist aber bei der Besmeidrisch, der Meilich.
Ich bin wie mit da, darf sehen, dass es
an. Okay, so I'm gonna look around and she is bisschen sagen the sheet.
Sie do 12, sie geht an einer Seite, das an yiddish, bei der Meilich.
Ich werde daran schicken, mit der Schirem. Ich kann mein Leben einstellen, was klar ist, als eine wichtige Sache. Ich habe nur die Achtes, das bringt, die Spanisch sehen, die sehen. Let's check it around, let's look around. Wie ist der Moonlight? Ich habe mit der Trink, wir mit der Trink geben, und let's move on. Wow, look, der Trink, alles so job. So, hello. Baruch Hashem. Want to say something about your business? You have 10 seconds. 5, 4, let's go.
Oh, hi, how are you? My name is Israel Weiss. From Weimark. We're a background screening company, tenant screening company. We integrate with all...
You screen by security.
Credit checks, criminal background checks.
Awesome.
We've been at this show for many years. Amazing. It's a great show. And anyone that needs any sort of...
Time mit der Mikve-Tech, weil alle Shamusim, was man nimmt jeden Vater von der Shamus. It's a heilige nice system for mikveh. What can you say about the mikveh technology here?
So Mikveh Tech's technology, we have a few different systems to treat mikveh water, from small private residential mikvahs to largest mikvahs in the world with thousands of tovlim per day.
All right, so if anyone wants to contact you,
get to mikvahtech.com. And we have all the different systems to treat any type of mikveh water possible.
It's a kalte Wasser, Geschmack. Clean, beautiful.
Clean, healthy mikveh water.
Du stehst bei noch ein Boot, wie heißt die?
Ich heiße Moshe Foma von YT Embroidery and Screen Printing.
What's the leg? Don't clip, it's going to be only 10 seconds we're here. We're moving on.
Alright, ga es halten.
Jetzt ist halten. Was machst du? Alle meine Companies, Promotions?
In Steamer Embroidery is focusing auf Swag. This includes alle meine Uniforms and die meine Sachen. So, I'm actually direct the company.
Sie macht das allein,
in Sabin is Taros, as you can see on the video. Sabin is Taros Gunish.
Du machst die Sachen allein?
The point is that the turnaround time is fast. So there's an extra premium that we have to do, that we get a broker.
Straight to the company.
And auch du hast deals. We can I was not a direct supplier. Haben wir gesagt, deals. We can offer us the event if you do a broker.
The company is
YT Embroidery and Screen Printing.
Oh yeah. Du stehst mit Yitzchok Weise, Yitzchok 30 seconds auf der Mic.
Okay.
Wo sagst du, ob der Kiddische Shem du?
Der Kiddische Shem, man kennt seinen Einsatz, ist ein moeilig ausgehaltener Platz. Jetzt Kinder steht, Leute, am geweißt, du sehr will machen. Du Springverkehr, der Eibisch hat da nur, als jeden gehen, kaufen bei jeden. Der größte Kiddische, was die Kinder können machen. In der Goy, Gretchen von dem, das ist eine zweite Linie. Der Schachris mit Chamare, der Kuscher Essen, alles hat der Jös Atov. In der Jiden, sie sehen, wie kam Chisru, und das ist, was der Eibisch...
No way, kick me to do.
Stam Azoi.
Don't kill Brahma, that's not 30 seconds.
Okay, so people ask me what I'm doing by the construction show. What is the construction show doing over here? Basically, I sell mezuzahs. Someone's selling doors, I'm selling the mezuzah for the door. Those are beautiful mezuzahs, all the categories. Wow. It fits for everyone.
We all know that I just made my film by you.
That's it.
Chevre, Shul is the guy. Stam Azoi it is. What's the there? It should stam around. What's the step is? It should stam around, okay. What's the day? But that should long do? Ruhig. What's this there? Ruhig. No pressure, my abend is stand, huh? Let's go.
Hallo, man, hier again.
The arbeit do gehe. Ich darf kein Cockets. Ich got a cover. I'm going to soon 30 seconds. What's this to do?
This is support of excavation. Piles, lagging, underpinning, foundations.
Wow. Next level.
Ja.
Ari, welche building is showing about?
Sag buildings. Kijk door, deze is nog gaan we de building. Sure.
Wat is ook snel?
Beste rush.
Oké, de beste rush. Ik heb nu schon mal een oog gehad, maar arbeid een beetje, wat is die? 30 seconds, what's this tea?
Painted pergolas and awnings.
Pergolas and awnings. Aluminum pergolas.
And outdoor screen shades.
Just the sickest.
Pools, mechitzas.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Sun protection, rain protection, all in a clean.
You can put the whole expo here into one word.
To get the shalom. A lot of Yiddish business. A lot of Yiddish business.
We start with Yossi Wasserman. Okay, we'll come back to Yossi. Yossi will be back. What's up, son? Interessante Mutu, Ari Greenswijk. 30 seconds, laten we even die test.
This is the zone.
Whoa. No way. Whoa. Do it one more time. I'm gonna have to give you a minute. One more time. Sag mal, Masber, wo ist das?
Man macht auf den Port, heranzulegen die Schmitzwäsche, geht du heran, suctions heran, Handtuch, alles.
Gut, aber die ganze Sache. Jetzt kommt raus Wind.
And then once it closes, geht es heran in the bin. No. And so kommt to the laundry room. You have a laundry room on the second floor.
So stehen wir in der Laundry room auf der zweiten Stock.
Will raufschicken, Schmitzwäsche.
Kann raufschicken, Kinder auch in? Bedtime?
Noch nicht, maar arbeit auf dem.
Sie Bett an der Maschine, boom, an der Bett. Say it one day. Du machst da etwas, geht, du stützt sich zusammen, du. Bei den Churros können wir auch, du.
Exactly, it's a middle. The Perlowitz, it's a middle.
5 seconds left, 5, 4.
Clean your dryers and save fires. Avoid fires, that's it.
Okay. What's the name of the restoration company? Who's not making up to the fires?
So doing it combined. I have a brother that's a restoration, that's an adjuster. We work together, there's enough of both. Yeah.
So noch im Stein du und lernt Chemisch. Das ist noch im. Wo suchst du auf den Chemisch?
Der Chemisch, das darf auch aussehen wie ein Chemisch.
Okay.
Und zum Geld daran inwendig kann man sehen, das ist der Booksafe. Dann wird mir schicken von dem.
Who's like man inside the wagon?
Nein. So die Idee von das ist, etwas was nach vom Local. So der größte Geld in der Julie und alles von eigen in einer wichtigen Platz. Die wichtige Sachen like man geht der normale Safe.
Nichts mit das war.
Das ist nichts mehr, das ist so ein Local. Da war doch so eine Leute, nein, like das in der Sonne schafft oder so, ich kann nicht wissen. Keine Gap nicht, keine Go nicht. Like da pur in the dollar. Und das machen wir tippen der Gebre. Du musst vom Cash Local. Likes this do around, and we can kind of wissen. But the valuables go in a big safe.
Also auch safes on guns.
We have safes for guns, we have safes for Mutmadrushim, we have safes for multifamily, we have safes for everything.
Wir machen Massages, Beispiel für uns der Bootes, aber es kommt nicht Massages durch. Rabbi Klitnik. Name the mic, you have 30 seconds.
Oh gosh, I'm not so good with this, but okay, I'll try my best.
Do food also?
We do food, but today we're here for this.
Today you're here for bathtubs. Okay.
How do I put this on? Okay, I'll hold it.
10
seconds. We do bathtub repairs, chip repairs post-construction. We do for elderly people, grab bars, bathtub walk-ins. We deal with management companies a lot, reglazing if anybody needs so.
It's a big apartment building, these reglazing, beautiful.
Personal house, apartment buildings, whatever it is, we'll be happy to service you. Thanks for coming by.
Awesome. You start the oil, they say this app is cute. Wow. I'm hidden. 30 seconds, what is this?
We do waterproofing, fiberglass system for the interior, showers, bathrooms, boiler rooms, that kind of stuff, laundry rooms. Fiberglass is a raw product, it's meant to tile on it. We put tiles directly on this. Beautiful. This product is exterior product. This we use for porches, walkout decks, rooftop. Everything's waterproof 100%.
Lazy rivers ook het?
That we do for the show though.
Yeah, you do for the show. Schoig.
Nope.
Ik weet het nu, neem de mic nu.
Shalom Aleichem Chaim, happy to be with you.
You have 30 seconds, let me hear what your company is.
We're a Go Grind Power Wash. Of course, I'm Flicks, but I'm here with my brother Shimi. We do all types of power washing.
I'm going to stop you a second, I love the achdus.
Yeah.
Helping each other.
I like it to breathe the VM. We do all types of power washing, graffiti removal, window cleaning, residential, commercial. I mentioned out post-construction, that's cleaning the bricks. We come down, we clean the bricks anywhere in New York City. So,
power washing.
Ja, du hast the phone number.
The code, zei ik. Nog een mazzel, your logo, and everything is green. Then was the sour apple.
Exactly.
Wie kann mich vergessen? Yitzi neem de mic. 30 seconds for you.
Should I clip it on?
35 seconds for you, okay?
Got it. You got it.
Explain that company.
Go ahead, was sagst du? Oh, I should explain my company. Warte. Perfect restoration, fire, flood, smoke, mold. That's all you need to know. Commercial, residential, industrial. Visa is not 50 states of America, primarily based in the tri-state area. Anytime you have a fire, a flood, just a small cleanup, a big one. Insurance companies, public adjusters, the confusion, perfect restoration, we got you. Absolutely. Good to see you, Chaim. Thank you for coming by.
The silicones to seal the holes. Relax, drinking, wow. Making New York smell again. How did they slogan? What's this then?
Ik ga Yoni Perlowitz from the company in 5 boroughs. It's Washmer garbage cans, residential and commercial.
The große green dumpsters was
So in some moment the residential part, waschen Menschen private houses, Menschen garbage cans. So stinkt. Right. We're trying to make New York smell good again.
Love that.
And we're starting as well now commercial garbage cans, restaurants, stores, warehouses that have the big 2-yard dumpsters. We're going to be able to wash those dumpsters as well.
You can scrub those dumpsters out?
My truck comes, picks up the dumpster, washes it out at 200 degrees, hot water, washes it out. We sanitize it, we make it, we deodorize it, we make it smell good. We make New York smell good again.
Go ahead. They're going to find. I got him to come back. I got him with a bucket. It's unfilled stock.
I have no idea what we're talking about. I just want to tell you guys, if you're here to talk business, move on. We don't want to talk business today. We're here to meet friends, meet new people. We're making a push-up competition right here in a few minutes.
I'm at it.
As a grobbe Eden, jeder mit der größere Beug wie der zweite. Nobody wants to do push-ups. If you want a lechaim, come drink by us. Or lechaim by that beautiful menorah. That's all we want to talk about. We have a beautiful menorah here.
You do push-ups, I'm at it.
Push-ups. I want to tell you something about.
Stein mit Rabbi Yankel, das ist nicht so ein Schiebe, aber ein zweiter Schiebe, eine Company an Schiebe. No, what do you do?
It's the company that the roofing is siding by Hazer. Roofing is staat jeder weiß sich ist roofing is van het dak.
The siding, the roofings.
Roofing, siding, gutters.
Beautiful.
For residential houses, it's ook het commercial buildings. Commercial is the andere roof. Commercial got flat roofs, rolls.
And now in the line, ich habe my Michiman hose, right?
Yeah, we did airtight sealing.
Airtight sealing.
We started a business with kitchen made touch-ups, and we developed the finishing. We developed the business in a full finishing, all type of finishings, kitchen stain, touch-ups, anything you do, just hit me up. 9 to 9, 3 to 4. One wall. We gaan maken een full video, full-fledged met te share.
Maar jetzt, wenn Sie will, fixen Sie check it out. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Hey, book for coffee chocolates, all of the chocolates. Hey, it's much, look much, it's beautiful.
Energy bars.
Energy bars. Book for construction, hitlich, herrlich, beautiful. Du haben mit die Woche Team, der Team von die Woche, jeder weiß, beautiful. Was ist da? Nur jeden einen.
Okay, so ich heiße Mechi Fishbein, ich arbeite für Half Staff. Half Staff is our virtual assistant company and stellen mit arbeiters all over the world, in Philippines, Central America. And
dus when we credit the company maakt op, hello, you reached out, weiß was an company.
That's a different country, a different place, different product. In sind wir bei der OBJA, in sind wir nicht gerade Zeit zu kaufen Stressballs. So sind wir rausgegangen in echten Käufen etwas und sind wir Zeit uns gehen geben neue Calories.
Jährige Lotteries geben, eine schon gewonnen?
Und so schickt das Sache gewinnen, du, yes.
Really?
Yes.
No way, can we lottery?
Sure.
Let's go for it.
Get around, told you about it.
Get around, told you get it. Jährige Lottery, what's this?
Bathroom partitions.
Bathroom partitions, so die was both alle partitions?
All over.
Cute, sehr interessant. Dit sind du, es kommt daran, von Europa Lumber, alle mehr trinken. Jeder allemaal gewinnt dit, gaan we Michael. Look at this store the corner 4415. What is this? This is
it. It's commercial laundry equipment. It's like around the machine in yeshivas, mikvuas, buildings, dormitories, and ook and nursing homes. It's like around the machines and service men. It's allemaal heavy commercial machines.
We hebben nog met quarters de machines?
So it's allemaal de quarters. And it's allemaal ook updated. It's allemaal met the phone system, with the card system. Absolutely, it's amazing with commercial.
When I book in the camp, we're gonna bring quarters to camp, but online in the machine.
Nah, guys, the tatas can onfilm from the heim, but the boeken absolutely, alles with absolutely for app. It's unbelievable the technology guy done.
Wow. And the store, check it out.
And the service is outstanding. 718-210-1788. info@goldlaundrystore.com.
Mechi Finn.
Goodlux canopies.
Oh man, what it is?
So we prefabricated canopies in pergolas and sunshades. We service Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, PA, the 300 mile ratio. So we fabricate, we install.
Beautiful. Yeah, schön. Alle meine pergolas mit
Pergola, everything is custom.
Everything's custom made.
As per design.
Wie machst du mehr? Waterpark, Muncie, Lakewood, Jackson, Tom's River?
We service all over. We still have a lot of it in Brooklyn. We have a lot of it in Lakewood. Say it again.
The Waterpark is schwer. It's just a Platz. Echt.
Mainly what we do is canopies. That's our bread and butter. But we do pergolas, sunshades.
Beautiful.
If you want to zoom here.
Wow,
we have here
look at this.
Some examples.
So all in the canopies. Beautiful.
Pergolas have been custom.
This is regenstark. When we look into the canopy from the store, this is not credit.
I credit it godlessly.
Is a heerlijk. Ik heb een kick doen. Situationship. Alle meine beautiful woodwork, heerlijke zaken. Hey, come on. Why be doesn't Gap on the mic.
Live Rosen to most audience is pretty common by now. I'm long enough in the business.
Macht heerlijke woodwork, beautiful jobs here.
Don't judge the book by its cover.
I love that. Don't judge the. I try to see the young man with the plastic glazer. Beautiful, whatever you do here, keep it up.
Custom work, private, residential, and commercial.
Du spielst ein Schach, aber sie noch nicht Schnittel, aber what do you do? 10 seconds.
Instead of home staging, is might furnish those apartments. En we designed dus aanziehen nahe Menschen zu Dingen an Dieren oder zu kaufen.
Wow.
And so furnish me common areas in größere developments. Lobbies, rooftops, game rooms. Dat verkauft man in the furniture and it's provided by a herrliche job that we can do.
Beautiful, I love it. What's the young man do?
Hey! I'm always looking at your status. Can I get onto your show?
No guy at all.
Okay, I do storage containers. If you ever need to rent buy a storage container, I'm your man. I do storage containers. What else do? I do storage containers. That's all I do. I do storage containers. No, storage. If you need a developer, a builder, a homeowner that's doing construction, you need a storage container, I'm your man. Good pricing, excellent customer service, and quick service.
Beautiful.
Everything.
Kijk wat dit zich toch hebben. Warmpak lumber. Essen er auch zu. Wenn man sitzt, wenn man handelt und verbringt.
Ja.
10 seconds, let me know what dit zich do Warmpak lumber.
Certified lumber, everyone knows our name, that's the answer.
That's it. So Saga Achille do. Ik zijn Satmariden, ja?
100%.
That's it, I see it on the table. Schkoig. Du bist so lezan. Asiem, 2 Zeiger, auf dem Wasser geber, checkst daran. Gleich sind alle Essen du. Es gibt Asiem. Und man hat kappelig. Geht. Beautiful, huh? Es gibt Asiem, oh?
Thank you.
Wie viele Zeiger Asiem?
Sie mir hat 2 Zeiger. We respect Leute here at Sola.
You guys are doing during the day in the company?
No, I wouldn't be a liar. We learn during the night in the morning, but we work during the day. Absolutely, by lunch.
Wir haben gesehen, wie die erste reaktive Video, the OMP promos, and right away I called them. Status. I knew what to call. Within 1 day, I'm erledigt. From my laborers, construction laborers, day laborers, anytime you need. Temporary workers. Yeah, and they serviced me. Within 1 day, they're going to later.
Unbelievable. Hebben gevoerd erin met dat Segway. You sell Segways, what do you do? Blitz.
Automotive outfitting for all your commercial.
Looks the ambulances, Azula cars. Beautiful. Very nice. Segways also.
All day long.
No way, Yitzi!
No way, the energy in here is insane. Chaim, is this your first year here?
It's my first year here, Yitzi.
I have a secret for you, Chaim. It's my first year here too. You walk inside, first of all, safety fire, speak around when you walk inside.
For safety, but
come here, Hillside Tin, we do tinting, frosting right here. You ever need it on your backsplash in your home?
No way.
Come in, conference room.
Look at this, you push a button.
Whatever you need, peekaboo! Anything you need, taken care of.
Unbelievable.
Chaim, we're here to service you. And the whole class is here to service you. It's such a vibe. Chaim, you just know I block statuses on my phone. But when I see it on the computer somehow, your work is amazing. Keep it up. And guys, if you ever need any marketing, I heard the micro marketing is the hottest item today in the marketing industry. Dealing with people that have 1,000 to 100,000 followers, it's the place to be right now. And guys, you need anything, hit it up with Chaim and Perlowitz.
I'll tell you one thing. Feedback, get me energy and pump to go further. It's not easy to make videos, jeden Tag, ganze stores, but the feedback from Menschen is amazing. So Chaim,
it's not easy standing here right now. I need lunch. But you coming by? Woo!
Nehmen du both buildings, lass mich hin wie er soll.
Jetzt visualizen Hase fast wird gebaut. Jetzt macht man Scale Models, 3D Rendering, herrliches 3D Rendering, aber kick a shield. Ich kann nicht rausgeben.
Okay,
aber Menschen verschieden spenden nach Sachen mehr Geld auf Rendering, was keine ganze Nacht wohnen. The most amazing Sache, was in Sommer ist, ein Virtual Reality Tour. Die kannst du actually reinbacken und in der Gläser. Nach Vaterhaus, ja, kannst du so durch Heim, ich mache wieder wie die Station. Und kannst du sehen, wie so es kickt aus, fahr, a Scratcher gleich.
Ein Gewirr, der ganze Mensch schwarze gebaut.
Schwarze gebaut. Kannst du dann geben, der Abschnitt, weil ich Koidisch zu leigen, weil ich Teil zu leigen. Alle meine Sachen.
Wow.
Geht es sicher so tun. Ich bekomme maybe 30 Sekunden von dem.
Okay, schkoich, so wie ich
Jakob Worfman, 3dmodelize.com.
3dmodelize.com, schkoich. Absurich. Was ist die denn?
Ich mache Garage-Stieren und Garage-Door Openers. Ins Replacement, ins machen wir New Construction und ins machen wir auch Repairs. We're covering Rockland County, Orange County, Sullivan County, and it's covering wir auch North Jersey.
I love that. The doors go up and down with that push of a button.
Push of a button.
You on Chaim's status? If not, join now, because he is the status guy today. Floyd Fader does also a good job, but Chaim is the man.
So wie the breeder von Liske and the camera guy.
He's not the brother, he is the one. He is the Sache allein.
He is the cameraman. So wie die bist gemein in Finland. So wie die bist.
We gaan een contract in Finland in.
Ja.
Ja.
Ik kan ook door het zelf grillen doen, was je het doen, maar ik doe maar de boot, neem jullie de mic. Kan je 60% of the boots ja jullie, want ik geloof dat we samen roepen. Okay, next.
No problem. We do the OBJA Show. I was there last year, and Baruch Hashem, our business tripled from last year. And we're looking forward for another good year. We do all kinds of equipment rentals.
Ik zie dit is de M&M's met alle mijn candies. Also de grootste riesige lift.
That's correct. Any kind of equipment for any kind of job site or management company, that's some scissor lifts, boom lift, generators, you name it, excavators. Just give us a call, equipped it, and there we go.
Chaim, du mit, Chaim Dov, was ist Chaim Dov?
Hello, it's Chaim. Was soll ich sagen? It's good to see you, that's all I can say.
I'm in Chaim, ich lasse mit den Schammes, fertig mit den Schammes, lass mich kommen, recht bis Mädels?
Laslowitz. Hast du da Shamus nach?
Warte, jeder fragt mich.
Put me in. Nein.
Weil du fragst mit der Schammes mit Chaim Dov.
And hook me up, want er zijn ook.
Hi,
nice to see you.
Ik heb de mic uit, ik kan ze nooit beginnen. Like it's late Mo. A1 Fire Solutions. Jeder kennt de fire truck was geparkt op Avenue F. It's a sound fire truck.
Yeah, we do fire extinguishers on Perlowitz service. For all your fire extinguishers.
Grootste, kleine, alumine. What's it is? What's it is? Aber so die alles von der Fire auch, die ziehst du in der Fire, noch kommst du mit der Fire extinguisher. I like it. So the Rockamola company was macht the high-lows. Du, I guess the kick. Macht headshots, the lighting, macht a picture hier rein, du, for free. Jossi, was suchst du?
We have over here nog een brawn iron guard safes.
Look, we have nog een ready. Nog een was het a Kiddush unit show us before.
This is a Kiddush. Menschen fragen Eibig, sie sagen, ich kann mal sehen, wir haben wissen, wie es liegt. Da einem sehen, no, aber es ist eine Solution für jeden Mensch. Kijk deze doen, dit is een hele grote schijf. Schöne schmieden. So, machst du das auf.
Wow.
Was du do, a hidden wall safe.
This is next level.
This is next level. We can this like into the bed frames, you put it in the closets. Iberu can this like. We have a solution for all your problems.
For those Chaim Perlowitz status, please check it out. You want to see this? The best status in town.
Wow. Into the balloons. Give me a second, 1 minute. How are you? Hey! You're the magician, the famous magician for 1 minute. We're about the credit card company. We gaan nog maar een full video, but this is just helpmebuildcredit.com. Hier device, dat we best helpmebuildcredit.com. What a day at the OBJA Expo. Wow, it's beautiful. Aber eine Sache, ein Stück Problem over hier. Da verleden rennt sie eigentlich weg bei jeder Karte bekommen ein Ticket. Jede Karte bekommen ein Ticket. No way. Okay, aber the police do best in Istanbul. Let's see, laat me zien. Wat second do. I feel met een plaque, maar ik heb me een ticket do. Laat me zien. Staat do. Notice of point accumulation. No way. Helpmebuildcredit.com. No way. Ja, de find the book here. The old can name. Helpmebuildcredit.com. Comes up with creative ideas always. Beautiful. Pretty cute. You hate the car do. From the ganze Expo, to hundrede cars do. He went and he put a ticket on every car. It is cute. Was soll man sagen? He deserves credit. Kala kavod. He hate the car. The Olim gaat ein bisschen zitter, but ja, kala kavod, gevre. Check around mit him.